To start off, use the large body shape and trace it lightly. Then grab the head tracer, place it towards the top. Once again, do that lightly as well. And then you're going to have to erase that connecting line that you no longer need. And that's why it's important to have those light lines. At the bottom, you're going to add the tail. You're going to follow along and just loop back. And then you're going to erase again. Next are the feet. Just 2 little loops. This is where you're going to have your peak of your mouth, but you can add that later. Next, you're going to add the ears, make them nice and pointy. The nose is simple. It's just a triangle that's open with a little bit of an arch. The eyes are simple. They're literally just almost like a letter C that's stretched out. Connect the center eyes to the nose. Next is going to be the back leg or the tongue. Perfect. The next part is your pattern and line, but first we have to separate sections on your cat. You have a minimum requirement of at least 10 sections that you need to separate. You don't need to do this in pencil. You can simply use a straight line using your Sharpie. Make sure your Sharpie is nice and wet. You don't want a super dry one because it's not going to come out that great. The next step is adding those fun little details. You can use the handout that I gave you to come up with those interesting lines and patterns and fill in all those spaces. The next part, you're going to grab your neon crayons and you're going to fill in the entire thing just as colorful as the cats or the animals in Coco.